Here's a look at the Blackstone Griddle. These are really popular right now. I can remember going to the Griddle Cafe on Sunset Boulevard in Los Angeles and having giant pancakes. And you have enough room on here. This is their 36-inch model, which is the largest they sell. You could make massive pancakes. And you can also cook other food alongside there. You've got 4 heating zones that they have on this largest model. You can see all the different knobs which correspond to the section. The propane tank connects there just like a traditional propane grill would, but you don't have the cleaning process that you would have with a normal grill, which I really appreciate. You've got lots of space. You can see there clips for all of your utensils and other supplies that you want to bring out to cook with. But not having the open flame, being able to cook evenly across your food, I just appreciate the simplicity in the design and use of it. You'll see it's got 4 wheels in the bottom there, so you can roll it anywhere you need on your patio. It's pretty light, so I would definitely recommend this grill.